to Money Masters, your go-to destination for mastering personal finance and achieving financial freedom. Hi, I'm Eileen, your host for today's episode. I've spent years mastering the art of personal finance and wealth building, and I'm excited to share my insights with you. In today's video, we'll talk about financial literacy for kids and teens. Hey there, young minds! Ever wondered how money really works? From buying that toy you've always wanted, saving for that epic video game, or even planning for your dream college. Understanding your finances is the key. Dive in with us as we unlock the secrets of financial literacy tailored just for kids and teens like you. Together, we'll explore earnings, savings, spending, and investing in fun and exciting ways. Get ready to become master of your money. But before we dive into our video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our expert advice and money saving tips. Now, let's get started. Are you ready to become a money masters? Let's go!
Financial literacy is crucial for kids and teens as it provides the foundation for a lifetime of sound financial decisions. It's essential to introduce these concepts early and in an age-appropriate manner. Here's how you can break down financial literacy for different age groups. Preschool and elementary school, ages 3 to 8. Understanding money, introduce coins and notes. Let them recognize and count money. Play store with them. Basic saving, introduce a piggy bank. When they receive money, like for birthdays, encourage them to save a portion. Needs versus wants, discuss the difference between things we need, like food and shelter, and things we want, like toys and candy. Simple budgeting, if they want a toy, show them how to save up for it. For instance, if you save $1 a week, in 10 weeks you'll have enough. Value of hard work, allowance for chores can teach them that money is earned. Middle school, ages 9 to 13. Intermediate saving, open a savings account in their name. Discuss interest and how banks keep money safe. Budgeting, introduce the idea of budgeting for bigger things. Maybe they're saving for a video game or a special outing. Understanding costs, discuss costs of daily living, such as the price of groceries, utilities, and other bills. Charity and giving, talk about the importance of giving back. Encourage them to donate a portion of their allowance or savings to a cause they care about. Entrepreneurship, encourage them to start small businesses, like a lemonade stand or lawn mowing. High school, ages 14 to 18. Advanced saving and investing, discuss the power of compound interest. Introduce basic investment principles. Employment, many teens get part-time jobs. This is an opportunity to discuss taxes, paychecks, and saving. Credit and debt, talk about credit cards, interest rates, and the dangers of accumulating debt. Major expenses, dive deeper into costs associated with cars, college, and housing. Long-term financial planning, introduce the concepts of retirement saving, insurance, and long-term financial goals. Digital literacy, teach them about online banking, mobile payments, and protecting their financial information online. General tips. Be transparent, share your financial habits, good and bad. Talk about financial mistakes you've made and what you learned. Lead by example. Your everyday actions, such as saving money, avoiding impulse purchases, or researching before buying, can serve as practical lessons. Interactive learning, use board games like Monopoly, online apps, or tools designed for financial education to make learning fun. Consistency, continually reinforce these concepts. Monthly money talks or setting financial goals can be beneficial. Seek resources. Many organizations, schools, and online platforms offer materials and courses dedicated to financial literacy for youth. By setting a strong foundation early on and building upon it as kids grow, they'll be better equipped to navigate the financial challenges and opportunities of adulthood. Building on the foundation of financial literacy for kids and teens, we can delve deeper into additional concepts, tools, and activities that can help reinforce these lessons. Preschool and elementary school, ages 3 to 8. Reading time, there are many children's books centered around money, saving, and financial lessons. Examples include A Chair for My Mother by Vera B. Williams and Alexander, Who Used to Be Rich Last Sunday by Judith Viorst. Coin sorting and counting, use real or play coins to teach children how to sort by denomination and count change. Comparison shopping, when shopping, Show them how different brands of the same item can have different prices. Let them help decide which is the best value. Middle school, ages 9 to 13. Expense tracking. Encourage them to keep track of their expenses, whether it's money spent on snacks, toys, or outings. Learning from mistakes. If they spend all their allowance immediately and later regret it, use it as a learning opportunity about impulse buying. Games and apps. Utilize educational video games or apps that teach financial literacy. Games like the stock market game can introduce them to investing. High school, ages 14 to 18. Future education costs. If college or vocational training is a goal, start discussing the costs associated, including tuition, books, and living expenses. Look into scholarships, grants, and student loans. Cars. If they're planning to drive, discuss the costs beyond just purchasing a vehicle, insurance, maintenance, gas, etc. Simulations. Use simulations or role-playing games to test their financial decision-making skills. For instance, give them a hypothetical monthly salary and have them budget for all their needs and wants. Real-world exposure. Encourage internships, job shadowing, or part-time jobs in finance-related sectors to get a hands-on understanding. Building credit. Discuss the importance of credit scores and how they impact future loans, mortgages, and even job applications. Across all age groups. Family finance meetings. Make it a monthly routine to sit down as a family and discuss finances, upcoming expenses, and saving goals. Incentives. Offer to match what they save towards a specific goal, similar to how companies match 401k contributions. Field trips. Visit a local bank or credit union. Many financial institutions offer tours and sessions for young people to learn about banking firsthand. Use technology. Apps like PiggyBot for younger kids and iAllowance for older ones can be great tools to teach them about managing their finances. Financial literacy courses. Check if schools or local community centers offer courses or workshops on financial literacy. Remember, the goal is not to overwhelm them but to introduce these concepts gradually, making them a natural part of their growing understanding of the world. The more interactive and engaging you can make these lessons, the more likely they are to retain the information and make wise financial decisions throughout their lives. Family finance meetings. Family finance meetings are an excellent way for families to come together and discuss financial matters, set goals, and make plans. By including children in these discussions, parents can instill good money habits from a young age, foster a sense of responsibility, and encourage transparency and understanding about family finances. Here's a guide on how to conduct effective family finance meetings. Setting the stage. Frequency. Decide how often you'll have these meetings. Monthly is common, but it could be quarterly or even yearly for broader financial planning discussions. Environment. Create a comfortable and distraction-free environment. This could be the living room, dining table, or any quiet space. Agenda. Having a set agenda can help streamline the discussion and ensure all important topics are covered. Involving children. Age-appropriate topics. Younger children can be introduced to basic concepts like saving, while older kids and teens can delve into more complex subjects like investments or college planning. Give them a voice, let children have input, ask questions, and even present their own financial goals or challenges, like saving for a toy or planning for a school trip. Topics to cover. Budget review. Review your family's income and expenses. Discuss any significant upcoming costs, like home repairs or vacations, and how to budget for them. Savings goals. Talk about long-term and short-term family savings goals, such as saving for a family vacation, emergency funds, or retirement. Debts. If you have loans or credit card debt, discuss the plans for paying them off. Children's allowances. If your children get allowances, discuss how they've been using them and the importance of saving a portion. Investments. For older kids, this can be an introduction to concepts like stocks, bonds, and retirement funds. Charitable giving. Discuss any family philanthropic efforts or plans to donate to certain causes. Activities for engagement. Goal charts. Use visual aids like charts or boards to track savings goals. Financial games. Play games that teach financial concepts. For instance, after discussing budgeting, you can simulate a scenario where each family member gets a set budget to plan a hypothetical day out. Savings jars. For younger children, use clear jars to visually represent saving, spending, and giving. Key principles to emphasize. Openness. Encourage an environment where all family members feel comfortable sharing their financial concerns or aspirations. Education. Take the opportunity to teach about financial concepts, but also be open to learning, perhaps even from your children. Responsibility. Emphasize the importance of each family member's role in the family's financial well-being, even if it's just making wise spending decisions with their allowance. Review and follow up. Progress tracking. Review the goals and decisions from the last meeting to celebrate achievements and discuss challenges. Adjustment. Finances change, and so do priorities. Adjust plans and budgets as needed. Feedback. Ask for feedback about the meeting. What did family members find helpful? What would they like to discuss next time? Incorporating family finance meetings can lead to a financially savvy household where every member is more informed, responsible, and proactive about their money habits. It not only helps in effective financial management, but also strengthens the bond between family members through transparent communication.
Thank you for joining us in this enlightening journey through the world of finance and the secret of the money masters. We hope you found this video both informative and thought-provoking. If you want to dive deeper into the world of financial mastery and take control of your own financial future, remember to subscribe our channel here. And you can find more informative videos here. Thank you again for watching. Remember, financial mastery is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. So, take action, stay curious, and never stop learning. Until next time, I'm Eileen, signing off, wishing you financial success and prosperity. See you in the next video!